Failing the CFA exam, a feeling that we all run away from, but some of us are forced to face it. Last week, a lot of y'all got your CFA level 1, CFA level 2 results, and obviously, a lot of y'all passed. Congratulations on that. But this video is for all those people who did not pass, whether it was in the August 2025 attempt, whether it was in any previous attempt, be it CFA level 1, CFA level 2, CFA level 3, or for that matter, any competitive exam. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I just want to share something from my heart. It's for anybody who has ever failed a competitive exam. My base point for today will be the CFA exam because obviously it is my expertise. It is something I've also done and experienced. But if you've ever failed a competitive exam, then I think that you would want to watch this video. So let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please take 1 second to hit the subscribe button. If you've ever liked my work even a teeny tiny bit, then please join the community by subscribing to the channel. And while you're at it, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And for the people who have already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. Okay, so failing any exam, failing in anything in life is extremely painful, but failing the CFA exam I think is a little extra painful, or any competitive exam, purely because हम कितना कुछ इसमें इन्वेस्ट कर लेते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मनी, इट इज़ क्वाइट अ बिग डील, राइट? पीपल पर्टिकुलरली इन एशियन कंट्रीज, इंडिया, for them the investment is so damn high. It is not, the most easiest money to give from an Indian household, an average middle class Indian household, but हम देते हैं. Then we put so many things at stakes. कभी कभी हम job नहीं लेते. We completely shut our social life so many times. We're not meeting people. We even, kind of close our doors to family. We basically put so much physically, mentally, emotionally, financially. And I think nobody really realizes कि कितना बुरा लगता है. But today I want to talk about it because last week when the results came out, last week basically in the month of October, CFA level 1, CFA level 2, okay, of course a lot of y'all came to me talking about passing. I've got some beautiful passing stories, but there were some of y'all who came to me and told me that they did not pass, and such marginal failures, that's even the worst thing to happen. But it is so heartbreaking for me, though. It's like, it reminds me of my CFA level 3 story, which by the way marks exactly 1 year today, October 17th. It's a day I don't think I can forget. मेरे को बार बार सुबह से वो thoughts आ रहे, how I felt when I couldn't pass my exam. And I think it just makes me feel कि honestly I don't think I've ever been able to say it out loud, and I don't think you guys will able to also. I'm not saying कि oh my god life की पता नहीं क्या परेले आ गई. I'm not saying that. We all know that life moves on. I'm doing 10 other things now, of course also that, but I'm doing other things. All of you, all the people who had failed after last week, I even, I know they've already bounced back, they've already registered for the May exam. But it's not about bouncing back, it's about that small feeling that, pinches you in your heart कि यार मैंने क्या गलत किया होगा, that my destiny did not support me on that day. And I'm particularly talking about the people who have actually put in the hard work, because for the people who've not put in the hard work, guys, obviously you know why you failed, right? But for the people who've put in the hard work, that pain is something I feel that lingers. And today I just want to talk about it because I feel like nobody has ever addressed it, right? Nobody ever understands कि कभी कभी, even though you feel you've moved on and everything seems right, but one random night after 2 months you start thinking about that moment. You remember कि वो dear Tanishka Chandani, we sincerely regret to inform you वाला mail कैसा feel करता है. It just hits and it makes you feel like, listen, I gave my everything to this. तो भगवान जी ने क्यों नहीं किया मेरे लिए? And I understand. I just want to tell you today that I understand, and that feeling is so damn valid. That feeling where you can't even tell anybody what you're feeling, because they'll be like, listen, you got into this exam, tough था, होता है, move on, it's just an exam. But ना जब कि इतना डाला है in just an exam, तो वो क्या पेन होता है, क्या फीलिंग होती है when you see everybody else moving on. I think a lot of us who fail competitive exams, हमारा सबसे बड़ा एक वो, I won't even say stress, longing pain होता है कि यार सब आगे निकल गए लाइफ में, हम अभी तक वहीं खड़े हैं. एंड एक ऐसे पॉइंट पे खड़े हैं where we don't even know कि even if we take the next step, will we manage to actually cross it or will we still go back? क्योंकि मेहनत तो हमने बॉस अभी भी की थी, right? I don't know, I just wanted to rant about this. I just wanted to talk about this because it made me think that, I've seen so many people talk about their passing and how well they did, and people who, you know, failed because they did not put efforts. I've seen that also on LinkedIn, but I've never really seen people come and talk about what it actually feels to give your everything and then not passing, because it hurts like a heartbreak only. I feel like people would understand this. हम बोलते हैं heartbreak is brutal. Have you ever seen when you have a vision कि मुझे अपने parents के लिए ये करना, I want my parents to call their relatives and say मेरी बेटी ने ये कर दिया, but वो उस moment पे नहीं होता है. It is frustrating, you know, it is frustrating when you've come back from office every single day and you're sitting and studying, or you're not going out on a damn weekend, you're not attending your college fest to study, and you still don't pass. And I understand that feeling. And today I just want to tell you that if you've already bounced back, girl or boy, whatever you are, or whoever you are, kudos to you. Because I really don't think anybody can understand what it takes for you to have bounced back. And if you are somebody who still hasn't bounced back and you're still grieving and holding back, it's okay. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise, because it is something that pinches, okay? It's not something that you can just snap away. I'm not saying that this one failure is gonna be the end of your life. No. It's just, it's brutal. It's heartbreaking to see all your efforts go down the drain, and not just basic efforts, a lot of efforts, right? A lot of your dreams, a lot of your visions go down the drain. It is hard to start again. I always say this, giving the CFA exam, giving a competitive exam takes guts. But giving a competitive exam, giving a CFA exam again after failing requires even more guts. And everybody who does it, in my opinion, and I'm not saying this just for myself, is a damn winner in life. Because पूरा गिर के ज़मीन पे जाके हर्ट होके, you know, सबको पता होता है ओ हम फेल हो गए, and then getting back and trying again without knowing what will happen, because अभी भी हमने effort किया था, right? It takes a different level of a mind of steel to do that, and a different level of dedication and determination. And anybody who's doing that, I feel like, and for the people who decide that they don't want to do it again, they want to, you know, take a break, take a step back, it's okay. It's also okay. It doesn't make you any less of a brave person or strong person. It also takes guts to know when to say bas ho gaya bhai. I really think so, because I don't think everybody has that ability also, where they are able to analyze ki bhai nahi ho raha, and I think life is trying to take me to a different direction, so let's pivot. So if that's your case, also kudos to you. So yeah guys, this was just a very heartfelt thing. I think the date just made me think about it, and then it was basically when, you know, a few of you all who came, and two particular stories from a lot of these that came were from people who I know have put in their heart, soul, mind, who have already faced failures in the past. And जब उनके साथ हुआ ना, I think it just made me feel like, हम बोलते हैं कि it's just an exam, it's fine, you know, you're stronger than this, you are, but भाई दर्द तो होता है ना, इंसान तो हम भी हैं. And I think it's just important that somebody spoke to you. So if nobody's told you this yet, then I'm telling you that I understand you, and I truly do. I'm not saying this just to make a YouTube video. हो सकता है आपके पास ये video पहुंचे भी नहीं. I'm saying this to myself. I'm saying this to you, that I understand you, and everything that you're feeling is validated. It is correct. And on a lonely night, after a few nights or a random month, when you just suddenly sit and remember that mail and how you felt that day, I hope you come back to this video and remember that there's somebody else out there who knows exactly how I feel and who understands the difficulty I'm going through, because it's not easy. It's not easy to go through that feeling. But remember that I am, at least, I think this video has gone very upper niche because it's making me very senti. This topic is something that truly makes me very senti. So I'll just shut up. Before I ended though, a quick thank you. Exactly एक साल पहले मैंने एक video डाला था about my failure, and I thought my entire, you know, this channel will be over, things will be over, but you guys had shown a support that time, which I don't think I have ever thanked you for. वो एक video था, I hope, I don't want to link it also, it's an old video now, but वो एक video था where I almost felt like मुझे video बनाना नहीं, but मैंने बनाया था. That was on October 18, 2024, and I think I've never been so scared to post a video, but every single one of you all made me feel why I did the right thing by posting that video. So thank you. एक साल बाद बोल रही हूँ, because you know it makes me very emotional to talk about it, but thank you. Thank you for staying. Thank you for sticking by. For everybody who stuck through in this last 1 year, who told me that we'll stick, and they stuck through. They believed in me. They supported me. They motivated me. उस दिन उल्टा हो गया, आप लोग मुझे मोटिवेट करते. Thank you. I don't think you know what it means. I don't think you'll ever know what it means to me. So thank you. That's it. And हमेशा की तरह बोलूँगी, अगर वीडियो पसंद आया या नहीं भी पसंद आया इस बार, just like, comment, share, subscribe करना, because I really truly always need your support. I'll see you guys very very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.